We've had a little cold snap. We're ready for some soup again. So we're going to make some green chili chicken stew. What I have over here in our saucepan is I got 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we're letting that heat up. To that, we're going to add 1 cup of corn, and we'll add 1 medium-sized onion. We've diced it, and we're going to now cook this for 6 minutes. Alright, we've cooked that for 6 minutes. Now we're going to add 4 teaspoons of minced garlic. And we're going to cook this for another 30 seconds. After the 30 seconds, we're going to add our spices. Our spices are going to be 1 tablespoon of coriander, 1½ teaspoons of ground cumin, 1/4 a teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 a teaspoon of black pepper. We did that earlier just to save a little time. We're just going to pour that in there, and we're going to let that kind of bloom with the heat. We're going to cook it for another 30 seconds. After the 30 seconds, we're going to add 4 cups of chicken stock, 1 cup of water, 8 ounces of, these are already roasted, fire roasted and peeled green chilies, and 16-ounce jar of verde sauce. And we're going to bring this to a boil. And being the typical me, I forgot 1 ingredient. We have the juice of 1 lime. We're going to pour that in. Now we're going to bring it to a boil. Our green chili has begun to boil. Now over here we have taken 1 rotisserie chicken that we purchased at the store, and we have taken the bones out. We've chopped up into little strips. We're going to add that to our soup mixture. Give this a nice little stir, and now we're going to simmer this for 20 minutes. After our 20 minutes, we're now going to add 1/2 cup of long grain rice. I'm going to stir that in, and we're going to cook this for another 15 minutes or so until your rice is nice and tender. Alright, our soup is done. If you like, you can serve this with some avocado, cilantro, some tortilla chips, a little bit of sour cream if you choose. We're just going to have ours plain. We hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Please take a moment to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.